Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can delete the color schemes in Shopify themes. So I'm referring to these color schemes that you can see if you go into the settings, and then you can, if you click on colors, you see the color schemes. Currently in Shopify 2.0, you can create a lot of color schemes, and in each color scheme you have the different color variations. Like you can change the background gradient, and color text, solid background text. So, in my opinion, you should not have like more than 2 to 3 schemes, and in best case, you should have maximum 2 color schemes because these are distracting, and you don't need them in the future. They're extra. They use extra resources, obviously. Even if you remove a bit of extra resource, you can just speed up the theme. So I recommend that you should not have the color schemes, and I've seen that some people like create 10 color schemes and they're not necessary at all. So if you want to delete the color scheme, there is no option in the theme customization. You just have to go into the in the theme code and just adjust a little settings, and you can easily remove that stuff. And again, I would recommend then, if you want to remove the distraction, you should delete the color schemes, the extra color schemes. So if you go into the this is my online store and I want to go into the coding, so just wait for the surprise. Shopify has just updated the code editor, and I'm not able to digest the new editor. It is very hard for the newbies, obviously, to understand. And realistically, I'm not happy with all the stuff that Shopify has done. But again, I'm available for you. I will guide you uh, how you can effectively use this code editor, and it is a bit slower at the moment, and I hope that in the coming days Shopify will improve this thing. Currently, if you see, it takes more time than before, and as you can see, it has taken a lot of time just to open the code editor. My internet connection is good today, but obviously it has taken time. So what you have to do, you have to go into the settings data dot schema, and you have to adjust the code from there. So you can find the file in the configuration. Like this is the dawn updated theme that I have installed, and if you go there, if you click on explorer, and then if you go if you go into explorer and then you click on config, and you have to open settings underscore data dot json, you have to find this one, and you have to find the color schemes actually. So it's very important that you find the color schemes. If we just scroll down, the code has changed a lot. I've not done practice on it before, just to make sure that I actually do some hard work in editing in this code editor. So as you can see, all the color schemes are listed here. So you just have to find the JSON which will be named color schemes. And as you can see, all the color schemes you can find here: color scheme 1, scheme 2, scheme 3, scheme 4, scheme 5. If you create another scheme, obviously it will automatically generate it here. So as you can see, we have like 5 color schemes, and you can see the 5 JSON in this file. Okay, so if you want to really like color scheme 5 and 4 and 3, what do we have to do? For example, if you have to just select this color scheme and see where it actually ends. You don't have to delete some external thing. Okay, it will destroy the code. So it ends there. For example, if you just click on it and it starts here, and this is the general rule. So you have to start from here and till here. You have to remove the comma also. So color scheme 5 will be removed, and then if you select this, it has selected color scheme 4, and then very carefully you have to select this thing. And again, I want to delete color scheme 3 as well, and that's it. Now we will click on save and see if we encounter any error. If there is no error, obviously we are good to go. So let's refresh our stuff and see if the color scheme is removed or not. And as you can see, we don't have to refresh. The Shopify has already refreshed, and there are now just 2 color schemes, and there is no distraction for now. And we're just waiting for it to load again, just to make sure that it works fine. See the color schemes, the 3 4 5 color schemes have been removed, and now we have only 2 color schemes. So that's it for the tutorial. I'm sorry it has been a little pre-long, because this is a new code editor, and I just want to give you the review how a little difficult it is to use, but I hope it will be improved with time. So let me know if you find any confusion. Please leave a comment, and I'll be really responsive to you. Thank you.